Michael Cheong Leen. My Dickey's is going to be at Tacoma, Washington. Barbecue, of course. Very excited about barbecue. It's a big family tradition, driving up and down the East Coast and down to the South to try historic barbecue places like Interstate. Probably the biggest thing I got out of it was we were diving into financials. I got to learn all the back office stuff, and then probably work in with a pit. That was a lot of fun. I've never had the opportunity to do something like that before. The team's been great. Todd has been a wonderful instructor, and we've had a lot of help from our project managers as well to stop in, to drop in on class, meet them in person after just speaking with them over the phone or digitally. It's been a wonderful team at Dickey's. Behind the line, make my own sandwich, definitely with brisket. Although I do like the option to, when it's not too crazy back there, to take some of the ribs, take out the bones, and make my own rib sandwich.